introduction is fine. Now let's come to the question. The question would be, if custom duty of 10% of a particular product, 10% of custom duty for a particular product. Now let's think about that product as watch. Custom duty for a watch worth, okay, the question is 10% custom duty for a watch worth 15,000 while exporting that to our country. To find custom duty, 10% of what is the worth of that watch? It is 15,000. 10% of 15,000. That is the custom duty. When we simplify this expression, we can have the amount we need to be has to be paid as a custom duty. It would be rupees 1,500. So rupees 1,500 is our custom duty. Next question, after custom duty, what is the price of that cost of that watch? Because after custom duty, what is the price of that watch? I will write that here. So first we found the amount of custom duty. Cost of the watch with the inclusion of custom duty. So initially the worth of the watch is 15,000. With that inclusion of custom duty, because when you need to bring that item out of the harbor or out of the airport, definitely you need to pay the custom duty. After paying the custom duty, the product price is not same anymore. That will increase. That will be increased. 1,500 plus 15,000, the original price, both together rupees 16,500. This is the cost of that watch after paying the custom duty. So the price is no more 15,000. After paying the custom duty, that will be included into the watch price. Now the price is 16,500. Okay, let's try this question. Rupees 5,500 is paid as custom duty for a shoe worth rupees 11,000. Find the custom duty percentage. Let's find the percentage. For that, you need to use custom duty formula. It is easy to use custom duty formula. No? Custom duty is equal to that percentage. We don't know what is the percentage. We need to find that x upon x percentage of the original worth of the product. Worth of the shoe is 11,000. We know the custom duty as 5,500. That is equal to x percentage to fraction x upon 100 of 11,000. So we can simplify to get the answer for x. So here the percentage would be, let's make x as a subject. X equals to 5,500 should be multiplied with the dividend 100 and multiplicand 11,000. That will become a divided. We can simplify this. It will become 5 times. So x is 50 percentage. The percentage of custom duty is charging is 50 percentage. Cost of the shoe with the custom duty included. So initially the price of the shoe is 11,000. With that you need to add the custom duty value that is already a known one, 5,500. After that it is rupees 16,500. Okay. The value of a TV with 15% custom duty added to it is 27,500. So try to understand this one carefully. Original worth we don't know. That's what we need to find. With inclusion of custom duty with the original price both together is 28,750. So you need to write that properly. When we think the original price of the TV as X, okay, original price of the TV as X, with inclusion of 15 percentage with that will give you this one. So I will write the formula here. You see our value of the TV value of the TV with custom duty, that is equal to 100 over. Try to understand this part clearly. So if you are buying 100 rupees, if the TV is 100 rupees with inclusion of 15 percentage tax, the percentage is dedicated to the standard form of 100. So with inclusion of 15 percentage tax, the selling price of that TV would be 115. Try to understand this clearly. Original worth of the TV is 100 after paying 15 percentage of tax. Both together, the selling price of the TV is 115. Now that's how the question is asked. The value of the TV with 15 percentage of custom duty added, because the worth of the TV and custom duty both together 28,750. Both together is 28,750. So for 100 you need to write here 115. Why we are writing 115 here? If I asked only custom duty, you can write it as 15 percentage. Okay, you can write it as custom duty equals to 100 over 15 times 28,750. But we cannot write like that, because here this is not the original worth of the TV. This is the selling price. In the selling price, what we have? Original worth of the TV plus custom duty both together is 28,750. So in percentages, let's correlate that. The original price of the TV is 100 rupees. If with inclusion of 15 percentage tax, it will be sold to 115. Okay, 115. I'll use ratio method to explain this. 100 rupees with inclusion of the 15 percentage tax, it will become 115. We know this 115 percentage, this is 28,750. 100 percentage would be the original price of the product. Okay, we don't know that one, so you need to find that one. You can use the ratio method to do that. The important thing is how this 115 came from. In this 28,500, you have the original worth of the TV. So that's standard 100 plus tax. 100 plus 100 plus 15, 115. This 115 percentage is equals to this 27,000, 28,750. So you need to find 100 percentage. That would be the original worth of the TV. But you should know what they asked. That is the really important thing here. Original worth is 100. Okay, original worth is 100. So we don't know in percentage 100 percentage. In value of money, we don't know about that. With inclusion of the original worth and tax together, 115 percentage. In percentage, 150. In normal money, it would be 28,750. So how can we simplify to get the answer for x? So here you can divide 100 by, let's divide the first expression by second. 100 divided by 115 should be equal to x divided by 28,750. We can make x as a subject here. I'll make x as a subject. So that means 100 multiplied with 28,750 should be divided by 115. Should be divided by 115. It will give you the x value. So after simplification, we can have x as 25,000 rupees. So this is the original worth of the TV. It is 25,000 rupees. You can use this ratio method. If not, you can use another method as well. Take a note of this one, then I'll explain the next method. So now let's study the next method. So in that method, in your grade 9 also you have studied the selling price method. Okay, selling price method. Selling price or original worth after. Okay, let's do original price after worth, worth of the TV plus custom duty. Plus custom duty. Both together is 28,715 amount. So we need to find its percentage value. So initially when I take 100 percentage, that means 100 is the saturated one. 100 percentage is the original price of the TV. With that, in addition to 15 percentage of tax, it will be sold to 115 percentage. So 100 over in denominator 100, 100 over 115. That is the amount worth plus tax, worth plus custom duty, both together 115 multiplied with the original price of the TV. We don't know the original worth of the TV. I will make it as X. I'll make it as X. 100 over 115 multiplied with X. So worth plus custom duty of this TV is 28,750. 28,750. So here also 100 over 115 multiplied with the original price of the TV. Okay. The original price is 100 rupees. After addition with the custom duty, it will be sold to 28,750. So when you make X as a subject to simplify, you will get the answer. Here also same formula. 28,750 multiplied with 100 divided by 115 divided by 115. Here also when you simplify, you can end up with the answer as 25,000 rupees. So original worth plus custom duty both together is 28,500. So that means 100 plus 15, 115. So 100 over 115 into original price, that is equals to worth plus custom duty 28,750. So when you make X as a subject to simplify, you can end up with the original worth of the TV as 25,000 rupees. And let's answer to the next question. Amount of the custom duty. In this 28,750, both worth and custom duty is included. So from 28,750, when I subtract the original worth of the TV, 25,000, it will give you 3,750 rupees. 3,750 rupees. It would be the custom duty of that product. Custom duty of that product. So you cannot find 15 percentage of 115 percentage of this one. If you cannot understand this formula method, you can stick with the ratio method. That is really simple. So 100 percentage is the original worth. We don't know the original worth. With inclusion of 100 plus custom duty, both together, the 115 percentage is 28,750. You can divide that to get the answer for X. You can use the convenient method for yourself. It is not compulsory to use this method or that method. You can use convenient method for yourself to do the calculation.